Hi, welcome to Qmarks. Today I am going to show you how to set up institute management system for online exam. First of all, open software by the URL given to you and login by credential given to you. Click on sign in and first of all go to master menu and create course. Suppose I am creating course here. Foundation JEE. Set display order in which you want to display this course. Suppose I am going to set this order 1 means it will be display at first position, and batch capacity, it's just for information purpose, you can leave it blank. So I set here 100. And section, no need to set this. I will show you use of section in other video. Click on save. Means I have created foundation JEE. If you want to change any information that you have entered, just click on this, change any value and click on update. If you have created it by mistake, then click on erase button to delete it. Now I need to create batch. I created a batch B101 and again display order for same purpose. Click on save. After that, some more master need to be created, such as state, city, qualification, blood group, bank account, etc. Since I have already created it, I am directly going to enter student information. So go to admission and click on admission. Type admission number. Otherwise, you can also go in setting to set it to be automatic. Then automatically admission number will come one after another. I am setting here 1001. Ledger number, this is optional field. You can hide it also from setting menu. This is date of admission and this is effective date of admission. Now student name Mr. Shohan Arora. Date of birth student Aadhaar number, this is also optional field. Address of student, this is also optional field. Set city. Mobile number, here is given 4 contact number, you can write any number of contact number. And here email ID, if you leave it blank, it will automatically created by the mobile number and the domain you have set in setting. This email address is used on student portal as well as mobile application to log in by a student. You can change it also to original email ID if a student have not provided their email ID or have not any email ID. You can set dummy email ID. Okay. Next, father's name, mother's name, guardian name, this all fields are optional. Next, admission course, in which a student has taken admission in your institution. Select batch in which they are studying and select the current course. Suppose a student has taken admission in foundation and currently he is in target batch. So you need to select here current course and this is admission course. Now facility taken, if there is, such as transport facility, such as hostel facility, if the institution are providing this facility, and upload the picture of a student. If you can also leave it blank, just save the information. Now I have created one batch, one course and one student. Now I am going to show you setup for online examination. Click on master, go to online exam. First create subject for which you want to going to test, such as physics, chemistry, biology, etc. Next, you need to create question set for the exam. I'm going to create a question set first. Foundation test 1. Date of creation of set, the name of person who created the set. You can leave it blank. This is optional field just for informative purpose. Level of exam, level 1, 2, 3 means basic, intermediate or expert level. Language of question, time limit. If you leave it blank, then there will be no time limit to perform the exam. But if you set this value, suppose I set 30, means a student must have to submit their answer within 30 minutes, otherwise automatically page will be locked and only submit option will be there, means they will be bound to submit their test within time limit. Next option is published. When you click, when you check it on, then the test will be shown on portal, means student portal as well as mobile app. But currently there is no question in this set. I am creating a new set, so you should not check it on. After entering all questions in this set, again go to set, edit the set and tick public to show on the student portal as well as mobile app. Okay. Next, publish date, the date on which you want to publish the test, and unpublish date, the date you want to unpublish the test. If you don't want to unpublish, means you want to show this set infinitely, then both should have same value, means it will not be unpublished from mobile app as well as student portal. But if I set a value, then the student will be able to perform their test only between 29th to 30th April. Remark, this is also optional value. Wrong one question equal to how many marks, means 0.25 marks, but I am setting it 0. Send a notification, this will notify to a student on mobile app that a new set has been published by the admin. And now select the course. Suppose I have selected foundation JEE, means only the student of foundation JEE course will be able to perform test on this set. You can add multiple courses too. Now I'm going to save it. My set has been created. Now there is need to add question in it. So I'm going in master menu, online exam, and click on add question. Select the set just created and click on add question. If you want to see the questions of that set, then click on show question. You can also edit from there, but I'm going to add question. Select the subject. Suppose I have selected botany. Temporarily I am going to change and selected math. Select the medium, that is by default English, and type of question, that is objective. I will also show you how to set other type of questions. Presently I'm going to show you only objective question. So first box is for question. So type here, what is 2 into 5? Second box is for first option, means A. You don't need to write A, B, C, D or 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be automatically added by portal or app. So just first answer, that I have written 14. Second option, use keyboard tab button to move into next box, 10. Third option is 15 and fourth option is 20. I select and must select the correct answer, so that application will automatically calculate that how many questions have been answered correctly and how many questions have been answered incorrectly, and also it will be used to publish the result, calculate the score of the student, etc. I have selected the correct answer B and submitted this question. The interface has been again cleared to enter next question. Now I am going to show you how to edit the question I already entered. Go to master menu, online exam, click on question set list for which you want to edit the question. Click on this button, left click. Click means only left click, and click on show question. All the question entered in the set will be appeared, and also it will show you what is the correct answer of that question. Here is 10. If you want to edit it, just move the mouse here and click on this first button, edit English question. English question means the question entered in English language. Change what you want and click on save. That's all. Next, the student must have ID and password to perform the test. Same ID and password will be used on both student portal as well as mobile app. So I need to create login ID and password for the student. So that you need to go transaction, admission list. You can also go through report menu. There is also admission list. Here you can see all the student I have entered. The newly entered student is Mr. Sohan Arora. Click on left menu and click on allow test. Otherwise the student will not be able to perform test. He can access other section but not test. Next, click on menu and again click create login. This will automatically create login ID and password, and also send login credential to the mobile number, first mobile number entered at the time of entry of admission with the student. Okay, means the a SMS will be sent to the student with login details. Okay, if you want to see the list of users created, then you can go tools menu, user menu and user account. This will show you list of students user ID and their password. But creating one by one user ID and password is so cumbersome process. So you can also create all login and password in one click. Just click on this menu, create all user. It will create all users, means user id and password of all students here, and also send sms containing their id and password. Remember that it will not recreate id and password, means once an id has been created, it will not create or send sms again to that student. That's all. Thank you. In next video, I will show you how to create question with other types such as true or false, fill in the blanks, etc., and question with picture. Okay.